Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm out here at the park I like to fly at, y'all. Ain't been out here in a while. Figure I'll make time before work, come out here and do some flying. Out here to do some line of sight flying with one of my favorite brushless drones here. This is the TinyHawk Freestyle, the original one from Emax. So this is the first one. I think they have maybe 2 more of them. I still love this one. I can't remember what exactly are the improvements on the other ones. I think one of them for sure is the camera being able to adjust the angle easier. This one you can adjust the angle, but you have to remove the top plate and find a different one of those slots. I have the first slot selected there, but you can get more angle on the camera if you use the second slot there. I don't like a lot of angle on my cameras. That's one of the things that they improved on. Also, there's a better protocol you can use. Mine is using the D8 FR Sky is what that protocol is called, and you can get Express LRS now. So definitely better, farther range, but I'm just going to fly this guy line of sight real quick. I got the little lollipop antenna on it. Doesn't come with that. And we got a GMB 450 on here, 2S. This drone is 1 and 2S capable. So if you want to fly this guy a little more docile or whatnot, or you're a beginner maybe, then you might want to fly this with 1S. I changed the connector on mine. It comes with a whole different connector. It comes with BT 2.0. I'm sorry, not BT 2.0. It comes with PH 2.0. That's the one that it comes with. And you can use 2 batteries to achieve 2S. And then they have a little plug adapter to plug one side off, because it has 2 connectors on the original one. So you plug in one to bridge the connection, and then you plug in a 1S and you can fly at 1S. But let's get this guy up in the air on some 2S fun, just line of sight. Just had to get a little fun in before I go to work, y'all. Let's get it. Very foggy out here, y'all. So I don't know, I don't think I ever flew FPV in fog. Let's see, I gotta get this guy on the right protocol. It's gonna beep at me like that. Till I get it in the right protocol. Let's see, we're on D8. There we go. No longer have a buzzer on this thing either, so I'm not going to fly it too long. I am flying it in acro mode. Wait, am I? No, I think this is angle mode here. We're flying in angle mode. I just have a lot of pitch on the camera. Well, not the camera. I have a lot of pitch on the angle mode to allow for this thing to fly really fast when I have it in angle mode as well. But it's brushless though, so a lot of people don't like to fly brushless line of sight because it can get out of hand. It's really fast. Brushless motors are a lot more powerful than brushed motors. Okay, I think I'm in acro now. Let me see. Yeah, I'm in acro now. Haven't flown in a little while. Gotta get the bugs out, y'all. I don't have the rates up really high, but as you can see, this thing flips over fast in one direction and slower in the other direction. I'm gonna have to fix that in beta flight. Check it out. Whoops. So this thing flips over faster in one direction and slow in the other direction. Oh man, I think I broke a prop, y'all, on that little crash. A little whoopsie. Check out my prop. I have plenty of props at home where I can swap this thing out, but I don't have any props with me. So I guess that's going to conclude our flight of this thing. Just a little fun, line of sight, with the TinyHawk Freestyle from Emax, the original one. Thanks for watching.